Alright, so on this video we're going to show you how to replace the springless check assembly on the Arrowhead Brass 460 series. The part that you're going to need to do this repair is the Arrowhead Brass PK6026, PK6026. On the back of the packaging, I don't know if you can see that right there, but it does come with some instructions, but we're just going to show you how to do it. So this is really simple to do. Of course, you want to make sure the water's turned off. You do not have to take the handle off to do this one if you're going to reuse the stem. So all you're going to do is take this hex nut right here off again. Make sure you have your water turned off. And use the handle to finish the rest of the way there. When you pull this out, you might have to wiggle it just a little bit. Alright, so this is the springless check assembly right here. So the way you get this out is you just simply pull it. So it's going to be a little tight, especially if it's older. So you might have to wiggle a little bit. There we go. It takes a lot of force to do it. So you might have to really pull it. You're going to take your new one here. And the new one looks just like that. It does have the O-ring in there on the side of the little hat piece. Alright, and it just pushes in there. Now the old one was hard to get out, so is the new one to get in. So you really got to push it in there. Alright, so to reinstall it, just like normal. Put it in there, you might have to wiggle a little bit. Make sure you get the threads lined up good. Tighten it down. Right. Use your adjustable pliers. Tighten her up. Alrighty. Again, that's how you replace the Arrowhead Brass PK6026 springless check assembly.